Even their fields overflowed with abundance. Their cattle were countless, their barns heavy with harvest, and beneath their soil, riches multiplied without end. In all directions, wealth surrounded them, until even strangers whispered in awe, "How can one land possess so much?"
Look at our lands. Every harvest overflows with gold and food. No neighboring village can match our wealth. We are untouchable.
Owundu stands above all. Our wealth, our power, our people, unmatched in all the lands.
Yes, great king, Owundu shines because of your wisdom and guidance. By my count, this is the 10th generation. The sound of Ikoro will fall upon this land. What a pity for our children.
The people of Owundu were not always so fortunate.